Find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are -4 and 3 and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So first of all, we make the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are given. If zeros are given, so first of all, we will find the sum of zeros and the product of zeros. And the second way, if zeros are given, we know factors हमें पता चल जाएंगे. If -4 and 3 are the zeros, then x plus 4 and x minus 3 are the factors. ये factors बन जाएंगे. Factors दोनों को multiply करके we get the quadratic. And the second way is, first we have to find the sum of zeros and the product of zeros and then form the quadratic polynomial. So here sum of zeros is -4 plus 3, which is equal to -1, and product of zeros is equal to -12. So quadratic polynomial is x square plus x minus 12. One of the polynomial, you can also write that one of the quadratic polynomial is x square plus x minus 12. Now zeros are given, therefore x plus 4 and x minus 3 are the factors. Therefore polynomial is, you will write here, one of the polynomial is this. Therefore polynomial is x plus 4 and x minus 3. इनको multiply कर दो. Again you get the polynomial. Now we have to verify the relationship. Relationship find out करने के लिए sum of zeros is should be equal to minus b over a. Here the sum of zeros is equal to -1, which is equal to minus b over a. And the product of zeros is equal to -12, which is equal to sum of zeros कितना था -1, which is equal to minus b over a. So this is equal to c over a. A is 1. के क्वेश्चंस, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस हमने ऑलरेडी बुक में भी किए हुए हैं. Now next is same question is there. Find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. Find the quadratic polynomial. Again you can solve by factors. X minus this and x minus this. दोनों को multiply कर देंगे, we get the polynomial. And the second way is, first we have to find the sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is equal to 3 plus root 2 plus 3 minus root 2, which is equal to 6. And product of zeros, which is equal to 3 plus root 2, 3 minus root 2, 3 square minus 2 root square, 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So polynomial is, one of the polynomial is x square minus 6x plus 7. कि जो क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल हम बनाते हैं वो किस टाइप होती है, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस सम ऑफ जीरोस इनटू एक्स प्लस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस. Next is find the quadratic polynomial. Find the quadratic polynomial whose sum of whose zeros is a and product is 12. इसमें zeros given थी, हमने sum of zeros और product of zeros find out करके quadratic polynomial बनाई. Now here sum of zeros and product of zeros are given. Now we have to frame the quadratic polynomial. So here sum of zeros is equal to 8 and product of zeros is equal to 12. अब डायरेक्ट भी हम बना सकते हैं यहाँ से x square minus 8x plus 12 और minus b over a and c over a. So value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8 and c is equal to 12. Therefore polynomial is x square minus 8x plus 12. Yes, Lavanya. Now next question. इस चैप्टर में मेनली इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चंस हैं. यहाँ आपको जीरोस दी हुई है, पॉलिनोमियल फाइंड आउट करनी है, सम ऑफ जीरोस, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस दी है, वहां से पॉलिनोमियल फाइंड आउट करनी है. राइट. नाउ राइट डाउन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट मस्ट बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द पॉलिनोमियल. और लॉन्ग डिवीजन के क्वेश्चंस है इसमें. व्हाट मस्ट बी, एक एडेड वाला किया था हमने. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट मस्ट बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड from the polynomial, and the polynomial is 8x power 4 plus 14x cube plus 7x square plus x square plus 7x plus 8. So that the resulting polynomial is exactly divisible by 4x square minus 3x plus 2. Do this question and tell me the answer of this question. हमने last time किया था एक what should be added, now what should be subtracted. Simple subtract both the polynomials and the remainder which we get should be subtracted. Do this question yourself. Arinda ma'am, please unmute Devishi.
Plus 2.
6x plus 2. Okay, when you divide this polynomial by this, you get 6x plus 2. So you will write 6x plus 2 should be subtracted so that the given polynomial is exactly divisible by the another polynomial. You have to do this question yourself. So this is the remainder. You can check your answer. Now write down next question. if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, if alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial, polynomial is x square minus 5x plus 6, find the value of 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta minus 2 alpha beta. First do this question yourself, then I will do it on the board. First try it yourself. Okay, here it is given that alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, and this we have to find. So for that, first we find alpha plus beta. Sum of zeros is minus b over a, which is equal to 5 over 1. Then alpha into beta, product of zeros is 6. Now we have to find the value of 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta minus 2 alpha beta. First take the LCM. First two terms का LCM ले लेंगे. यहाँ से आ गया alpha beta, beta plus alpha minus 2 alpha beta. Now substitute the value. Alpha plus beta 5 over alpha beta 6 minus 2 alpha beta 6. So 5 over 6 minus 12. Take the LCM. 5 minus 72 over 6. So minus 67 over 6. Clear? इतने ही आंसर आ रहा है सबका. So do one more question, then we will discuss the questions of case study. Question is, 4 is the zero of the polynomial. 4 is the zero of polynomial x square minus 2x minus 7p plus 3. Find the value of p and other two zeros. Find the value of p and other two zeros. Right? So 4 is the zero of this. If this is a zero, then we can find the value of p. Polynomial px is equal to x square minus 4x minus 7p plus 3. Now 4 is the zero of this polynomial. It means p of 4 is equal to 0. Now substitute x with 4. 7p plus 3. From here you get find the value of p minus 7p minus 3 equal to 0. So 8 minus 3 7. P equal to 0. So 5 is equal to 7p, or p is equal to 5 over 7. P is 5 over 7. Now substitute the value. Therefore polynomial is x square minus 2x minus 7p. p is 5 by 7 plus 3. 7 के साथ 7 cancel हो जाएगा. So polynomial is x square minus 2x minus 8. ये polynomial बन जाएगी. Now find the other two factors. By splitting method, we can find the other two factors of this polynomial. So other two factors, find it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Drik.
Ma'am, this is a quadratic polynomial, तो maximum 2 zeros हो सकती हैं.
मैक्सिमम हाँ 2 zeros हो सकती हैं. ये तो p की वैल्यू आई है ना 4. अब जब हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे, मे बी वी गेट 4 एज द वन ऑफ द जीरो.
Okay.
फाइंड इट. सो मैंने 2 zeros लिखवाया. इट इज नॉट 2 zeros. फाइंड द अदर जीरो. एक ही जीरो और आएगी अब यहाँ से, एक वही 4 ही होगी अब। तो व्हेन यू सॉल्व इट, और यहाँ सॉल्व कर रही हूँ, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस 2x माइनस 8, तो x माइनस 4 प्लस 2x माइनस 4, x minus 4, x plus 2. So zeros are 4 and minus 2. X is therefore zeros are, लिखोगे zeros are 4 and minus 2. Question correct कर लो. It is not other two zeros. Find the other zero only. Okay, now those who have doubts in case studies question, raise your hand. So one by one, ma'am can so that ma'am can unmute those students one by one. Let me open those questions. Yes, Lavanya first. Study question 2 or
Ma'am, first question, fifth part. If the sum of roots is minus b.
okay. The question is, I hope कि सबने questions read किए होंगे. First question का fifth part. First question का fifth part है. If the sum of the roots is minus p, means sum of roots. मैं suppose alpha beta कर रही हूँ, it is minus p, and the product is minus 1 over p. Product is minus 1 over p. Then the quadratic polynomial. अभी हमने questions किए थे जिसमें sum of और product दिया हुआ था हमें. तो ये polynomial क्या बन जाएगी, x square plus px, क्योंकि minus 1 over p. This is one of the polynomial. हम लिखते हैं ना one of the polynomial means अगर हम इसको किसी भी constant से multiply कर दें, sum of zeros और product of zeros तो वही रहेंगी, सिर्फ constant से multiply होती जाएगी polynomial, zeros उसकी वही रहेंगी. x square क्या होता है, माइनस सम ऑफ जीरोस. सम कितने, माइनस p, तो माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गए, प्लस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस इज माइनस 1 ओवर p. So this is the polynomial which is answer of D part. Okay, यहाँ पे x square plus px minus c is the correct option. यहाँ पे लिखी हुई है yes. Yes लवन्या.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
ठीक. Next कौन है, Drig.
मैम फर्स्ट केस स्टडी का सेकंड एंड फोर्थ पार्ट.
Second and fourth part. Okay, second is if the roots of the quadratic polynomial. Okay, ये आपने अभी नहीं पढ़ा. Roots of the quadratic polynomial discriminant. ये discriminant अभी हम एक आपका और चैप्टर है जो हम पढ़ेंगे later on. इसमें आप सिंपल याद रख लो, अगर discriminant 0 है then roots are equal. So answer is D is equal to 0. Otherwise आपने ये नहीं पढ़ा तो आपको पेपर में भी नहीं आएगा जो आपने नहीं पढ़ा हुआ. ठीक है, this is not from your करंट सिलेबस जितना हमने PT1 का किया है. एंड द फोर्थ वन इज द ग्राफ ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल x स्क्वायर प्लस 1. अब x स्क्वायर है तो हमें क्लियर है कि इसका ग्राफ पैराबोला बनेगा. ठीक है, और इस पैराबोला में x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू -1 आ रहा है. सो इट नीदर टचेस नॉर इंटरसेक्ट द x एक्सिस, क्योंकि नेगेटिव आ रहा है. नेगेटिव के रूट्स एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेंगे, x स्क्वायर है. ठीक है, तो हम जीरोस कहां से फाइंड आउट करते हैं, फ्रॉम द x एक्सिस, जहां पे कर्व x एक्सिस को कट करती है. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, नीदर टच नॉर इंटरसेक्ट x एक्सिस, क्योंकि x स्क्वायर किसके इक्वल है, -1 के इक्वल है. और नेगेटिव का स्क्वायर रूट आपका नहीं आएगा. क्लियर द्रिग?
यस.
ओके. एंड आगे भी और भी स्टूडेंट्स ने हैंड रेज किए थे. आशीष, only 2 students are there जिनको केस स्टडीज के क्वेश्चंस में प्रॉब्लम थी. Okay. So now next is write down the question. If alpha beta are the zeros of, if alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial px which is equal to kx square plus 4x plus 4 such that alpha square plus beta square is equal to 24. Find the value of k. Do this question. So here alpha and beta are the zeros. We have to find the value of k. So you have to write first sum of zeros. Sum of zeros alpha plus beta which is equal to minus 4 over k and alpha into beta which is equal to 4 over k. Now from here alpha square plus beta square is equal to 24. Can we write alpha square plus beta square as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta? Now alpha plus beta whole square is minus 4 over k whole square. Minus 2 alpha beta is 4 by k which is equal to 24. Now solve it. 16 over k square minus 8 over k is equal to 24. Take LCM. K square LCM आ जाएगा. K square is equal to 16 minus 8k is equal to 24. Cross multiply. 16 minus 8k is equal to 24k square or 24k square plus 8k minus 16 is equal to 0. Take 8 as the common factor. 3k square plus k minus 2 is equal to 0. So 3k square plus k minus 2 is equal to 0 because 8 cannot be equal to 0. Now by splitting method you can find the factors of this. 3k square plus 3k minus 2k minus 2 equal to 0. So 3k common, k plus 1 minus 2 common, k plus 1. K plus 1, k plus 1 and 3k minus 2 is equal to 0. So k is equal to minus 1 or 2 by 3.